Eating healthy has never been more important. Worldwide food shortages are predicted, and the world, all 8 million of us, are getting fatter. Let's fight that fat together. You can live better, eat healthy, and enjoy life with hydroponics. My name is Perk. Is that enough chit chat? Let's get started. Did you know you can grow lettuce and other food inside under lights with no dirt? This process is called hydroponics and will form the backbone of our growing process. Hydroponics is simple. Don't overthink it. It's just 4 components. We need water, light, fertilizer, and seed. Each of these will be covered in their own video. So simple, never mind. Watch my other videos as we go from this to this. Once the plants are growing, the only work required from you is to pick fast enough. Pick the leaves off of each plant when they're about 3 inches or 8 centimeters long. Never cut the top or kill the plant. This little plant will feed you for months. Just give it a chance. Watch my other hydroponic videos to stay healthy and to follow along with this year's crop. Together we can live better, eat healthy, and enjoy life.